Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cloudflare Workers to no-code web apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Cloudflare Workers to no-code web apps, start by creating a Cloudflare account if you don't have one already. Log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Select the Workers option from the sidebar menu. Click on the Create a Service button. Choose a name for your worker and proceed. You will be directed to the worker editor, where you can write. Now, define what your worker does. For example, you can create a simple function that responds to incoming requests. Use the template provided to help get you started. Once your function is ready, test it using the built-in preview feature. Click on Save and Deploy to publish your worker. Next, navigate to your no-code web app platform. Identify the specific feature you want to connect with your Cloudflare worker. Most no-code platforms allow you to make API calls. Locate the Settings or API section within your no-code app. Enter your Cloudflare worker URL for the API endpoint. Customize any necessary parameters or headers as required by your worker. Test the connection by triggering the relevant action in your no-code app. Monitor the responses through your Cloudflare dashboard. Review any logs or errors to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Adjust your worker code if necessary based on testing outcomes. Once satisfied, finalize your setup on both Cloudflare and your no-code platform. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Cloudflare Workers to your no-code web app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.